How to activate Windows 11 with product key. To activate Windows 11, first check your Windows 11 activation status. Select the Start button. Then select Settings. Under System, select Activation. Your activation status will be listed next to Activation. To activate with product key, select Change Product Key. Enter product key. A product key is a 25-character code. Click Next. Click Activate to activate Windows. Hope this small video helps you. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.